Greetings or g'day from Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. I'm Russell Grove, Honorary Secretary of the New South Wales branch of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association and Clerk of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly. On behalf of the Parliament of New South Wales and the CPA branch, I wish to extend a very happy 10th birthday greeting to the National Assembly for Wales. The relationship of our respective parliaments is a very close one and complements the Memorandum of Understanding that exists between our two governments. The state of New South Wales took its name after colonialists likened the landscape around Sydney to the landscape of South Wales. North of Sydney lies the Hunter Valley and Newcastle, areas with a strong coal mining history. Towns of this region also pay tribute to our Welsh history and our common coal industries by replicating the names of Welsh towns such as Cardiff and Swansea. The Welsh formed a sizable proportion of the first white arrivals in Australia, as both convicts and as free settlers. These Welsh immigrants made great contributions to the founding of both our states and countries' institutions, towns and culture. Over the next 200 years, many Welshmen migrated to New South Wales, lured by the abundance of land to farm, the discovery of gold and the establishment of coal mines. Today it is estimated that over 20% of the population of New South Wales have some Welsh ancestry. In fact, one of the most common surnames in Australia is the Welsh name Jones. Over 1% of the population share this name, which lays claim to more than a significant amount of Welsh heritage that has been indicated by self-determination. Many of our most distinguished and famous citizens have Welsh heritage, including the entertainers Kylie Minogue and Rolf Harris, the actress Naomi Watts and the artist John Beard, our former Prime Minister, the Honourable Billy Hughes, and our current Deputy Prime Minister, the Honourable Julia Gillard, MP, who immigrated to Australia as a child. The people of Wales and their descendants have certainly played a significant role in what our state and country is today, and for this we are most grateful. We also share a great passion for sports. Most notable is our common success in the sport of rugby. In this realm, Australia has also borrowed from the Welsh, with our unofficial sporting chant, Aussie, 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 oi, 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 having been adopted from your Oggy, 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 oi, oi, oi. On St David's Day in 2006, the Honourable John Price, former Deputy Speaker of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly, presented the gold, silver and brass mace that now sits in your chamber as a gift from the Parliament and people of New South Wales in the honour of the official opening of the Senedd. We see the mace as a symbol of the bond between our state and your country. Since the Senedd first opened its doors in 1999, your Assembly has hosted many of our parliamentarians, including the Honourable Amanda Fazio MLC, the Honourable Don Harwin MLC, the Honourable Kerry Hickey MP and Mr Barry O'Farrell MP, to name a few, as well as a number of our Parliament staff, including the Clerk Assistant Procedure and Sergeant-at-Arms, Ms Rhonda Miller, Committee Manager Mr Russell Keith, who had a secondment with the Welsh Assembly, and our Tours and Education Officer, Mr Peter Tuziak. I also have had the honour to visit the Welsh Assembly on 2 occasions in the company of former Speaker John Murray in 2000 and in 2008 with Speaker Torbay. From these visits, our members and staff have gained valuable experience and knowledge and formed strong bonds with the Welsh nation. We are humbled and are in awe of what in just 10 years the National Assembly for Wales has achieved. The Parliament of New South Wales looks forward to the strengthening of our relationship and looks very much forward to hearing of your Assembly's future accomplishments. Again, greetings and happy birthday from New South Wales.